A worker shortage is being felt right here in the construction industry. And today, two very different outreach efforts are underway to help recruit future crews. Megan Semple was at both of these events today and is joining us live with more on what they're doing to try to attract new people into this field.
Hi, Jess. Yes, it was a busy morning and there is a construction worker shortage. And today in Rochester, there are new efforts to recruit to the industry. Destination Medical Center, along with the City of Rochester, have the goal to bring more women and minorities into the construction projects that they have. Right now, out of 1,700 construction workers working on the projects, there are only 50 women employed. That's about 3% of the entire staff. An event today at the Heinz Center gave women and the other populations information on starting a career in construction. And at Mayo Civic Center, 600 high school kids from around the state gathered to get hands-on experience and talk with those in different construction industries like pipe fitting, electrical, and concrete. A lot of the students at the event said today that they were interested in a construction-related job, but they did add that they think many younger people simply don't want to work hard anymore, and that's why there's a worker shortage.
We're really engaging the construction industry. We really want to know from contractors and union representatives what we can do to get people ready to work in the trades.
What interests me now is drywall, because my buddy runs a business with his dad, and I've done a little bit with him before, and he offered me a job after high school. And kids nowadays, you see them, they're all on their video games because they watch the YouTube and the Twitch thing, where all these people are making lots of money.
Most construction jobs start out at around $30 an hour. Add in benefits and you could be making close to $50 an hour. And most unions and other companies pay for school and training. Jess?
Thank you, Megan.